start and end up at the drive center?
Yep. Start at the road test center, the drive test center. And in fact, I'm going to take you on a couple of routes that they may take you on.
Okay.
We're going to make a right turn. And then we're going to make a right turn into the Rexall parking lot. Sharp right. And we'll turn to left. And let's do the reverse parking just beside this gray car here, on this side of the gray car.
This one you do one turn, you do
All the way.
Okay.
Yeah. You're thinking of parallel parking.
Yeah.
It's just one spin. So here, you stop, and then you move forward towards that space there.